In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text freely to a location in Microsoft Word. If you've ever tried to drag a line of text around and found it stuck in place, here's the simple, reliable method that works every time. Use a text box. A text box acts like a movable container for your words, so you can position them exactly where you want on the page without fighting with paragraph settings. First, head to the Insert tab at the top of Word. This is where Word keeps tools that add things to your document: pictures, shapes, and yes, text boxes. Click Insert, and then click Text Box. You'll see built-in styles you can pick from, or you can choose to draw your own. Either option is fine. The key is to get a text box onto your page so the text can be moved independently of the regular body text. Once the text box appears, click inside it and type the text you want. Treat it like a mini document area. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment using the Home tab, just as you would with normal text. If the box is too big or too small, drag the corner handles to resize it. To place the text exactly where you want it, move your cursor to the border until you see the move pointer, then click and drag the box to your chosen spot. You'll notice alignment guides helping you line things up neatly. By default, a text box often comes with a background fill and an outline. If you want your text to look like it's part of the page rather than inside a box, remove those. With the text box selected, go to the Shape Format tab. Choose Shape Fill and select No Fill to make the background transparent. Then choose Shape Outline and select No Outline to remove the border. Now your text looks clean and integrated while still staying completely movable. A few quick tips as you fine-tune placement. Use the arrow keys to nudge the box for precise positioning, hold Shift while dragging to keep movement straight, and keep an eye on the alignment guides for a polished layout. If you ever need to edit the text, just click inside the box and type. To move it again, click the border and drag. And that's it. Insert a text box, type your text, remove the fill and outline, and drag it anywhere on the page. This approach keeps your layout flexible and your document looking professional.